A window is one of the basic elements of the Windows operating system. You perform most activities within Windows when using applications. Most windows share a similar structure and layout, and they appear within a frame on the desktop. At the top of the window is the title bar, which usually displays the name of the application or its contents. At the right end of the title bar are the Minimize, Maximize or Restore, and Close buttons. You can use these buttons to control how the window appears on the desktop. To minimize a window, click the Minimize button. The window is then hidden from the desktop and appears as an icon in the taskbar. Although you cannot see the window, it remains open. To display the window again, click its icon in the taskbar. When multiple windows from the same application are open, they are grouped together under a single icon in the taskbar. To view the individual windows in a group, position the mouse pointer over the taskbar icon. A preview appears showing each open window. You can then click a preview to select and display that window. To maximize a window, click the Maximize button. A maximized window fills the entire screen, allowing you to view more information. To return a maximized window to a smaller size, click the same button again. This changes the window to Restore mode. When a window is in Restore mode, you can change its size and position. To resize the window, position your mouse pointer over the edge or corner of the window until the pointer changes into a double-pointed arrow. Then click and drag to adjust the size of the window. Release the mouse button when the window is the desired size. To move a window in Restore mode, click and drag the title bar to reposition the window on the desktop. Release the mouse button when the window is in the desired position. To close a window, click the Close button, which appears as an X. If you have multiple windows open, you can switch between them by clicking their icons in the taskbar. You can also press the Alt plus Tab keyboard shortcut to cycle through open windows. To do this, hold down the Alt key and then press the Tab key until the desired window is selected. Then release the Alt key to display it. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.